Well, it is all over at DHL Stadium, formerly known as the Green Point Stadium. Well, inhliziyo zidangele, we are not happy at all after iBafana Bafana got defeated by 2-1 by Panama in a friendly match that we saw before the FIFA World Cup. You will remember on Friday last week, we were here at Moses Mabhida Stadium where we got to interview people at the stands at the stadium. It was very, very exciting, even though we could not get a win there. It was a draw. But namhlanje in Cape Town, oh boy, Bafana Bafana get defeated. Even though Mbogazi tries to bring the spirit back with such a cracker of a goal, but the end results were not what we wanted. This is Through Pass. If this is your first time here, please do subscribe, share, and tell others ukuthi we are here. And sikuphathele okungaphathwa abaningi. Lamagama Siboniso Sizo wakamnikazi Sibongo, and I'm not by myself. I've got the plumber of note, Tequila Mpela. What's up?
Yeah, sizofetha kahle.
I'm all good, and you?
Hayi.
Could be better. Could be better.
Yeah, it could be better. Yeah, it's one of those. Yeah.
Why are you not wearing the new jersey?
Not because I like the yellow one.
There is the yellow one and the new jersey.
No, I'm still like this. I don't have money for buying this one. It's so expensive for me.
I told you there is one by Workshop.
Oh, Aish.
It's 130 rand.
No, I'm not promoting that. No, I would budget. Maybe by November I'll be affording this one.
Definitely you are not promoting that. Please do not buy the jerseys there by Dunusa. Buy them at the top proper stores. But let's get to the game, namhlanje. The starting lineup, the substitution. How did you make of the game today?
Yeah, firstly, I was very happy about the starting lineup.
Yeah.
Because Umkul didn't take this friendly as just a friendly game. He just wanted to see how strong is his lineup. I was very happy to see Adam starting. I was very happy to see Akon starting. I was very happy not to see Usbisi getting a chance. I was happy by that because we needed to find Akon, giving him more game time. I was also happy that Froster started the game after he was not having a good game. So for him to give him confidence, I was happy about him. But other stuff, it was a balanced team. So I was very happy about the lineup. And even when the game was the beginning of the game, the way South Africa was controlling the game, because it was just quiet in the midfield. It was just quiet because South Africa was controlling the game. It's just that the game was difficult.
Yeah.
The game was very, very, very difficult because Panama is a very good team. Panama is a good team.
You say you are happy with Foster being given an opportunity to play again after he had some chances, about 4 or 5 chances at Moses Mabhida, and he couldn't score. But did you see any difference today or any improvement?
In terms of attitude, I've seen a very big difference in him. It's just that we must also give the credit to the opposition goalkeeper. That goalkeeper is very smart. That goalkeeper can anticipate the moves. That goalkeeper is always coming to make himself bigger. So there were other players that got even chances, because players like Ohlongane, it's just they were not in the game. They only showed up in the first maybe 10 minutes or 15 minutes of the game. After that, I could see. And as predicted, as I told you, that Hlongane will just be out because Thapelo Morena will come back. So you could see, you see everybody. We know, we understand our national team. We know our weakest positions. We really need to rein us. Going to a World Cup, we really need to rein us in one way or another, because we don't have a finish. We're really, really struggling. We don't have a finish. So if you can have a finisher there, I think 50+1 of our problems will be solved. So other than that, and also in our center backs, yes, I was happy that there was Mbogazi and Akon, but there is a leadership. When I'm saying leadership, someone that is going to command this back four, that okay, now let's go out, let's push out. Because we see the goals that we considered, it's set pieces, and then we always have a problem with just set pieces. And this thing of having a 4 and 5, saying go and mark, I'll be your sweep. Even today, the problem that I witnessed at Mapit, that there was a problem between Undamane and Akon, because there is no one that was marking, and then they will end up colluding 3 times. Yeah, and then what I saw there today, they were not colluding, but there was no one that was saying, no, go and mark me, I will cover you. So those are the minor problems that we have noticed, especially in our team.
Are you not contradicting yourself on that one? Because one moment you are happy that CBC is not playing
Yeah.
and you get to see Okone given
Yeah.
an opportunity,
Yeah.
but at the same time, you are also saying at the back there was no
It's just that,
command, no
yes,
leadership.
yes, that one is far better than Usbisi. We know
But
the
CBC
qualities
brings the leadership that you are talking about.
yeah,
and
he
say,
can bring
"Let's push, let's
leadership,
do this."
but in terms of timing, he is poor. In terms of maybe his speed, he is poor. In terms of the going on aerial duels, he is not get good. Akon is very calm. Is very comfortable in the ball. He can anticipate the moves, can win the duels. But Naege, sometimes you could see that they've not played long for the longest time. The understanding is still there. It's just that now we don't have a choice. We need to put him there. He needs to play 90 minutes or in maybe 2 or 3 friendlies that we will get before the World Cup, so that he can be used to Umbogas, because it was the first time they were playing, and also even Dala on the Friday, it was the first time I was playing with Lokozana. So there is no that telepathy, because even we look at the goals that we're conceding using automatic pieces, because nakhona there is no command that okay, we must shape like this, somebody must attack the ball, it's man to man, so not marking. If it's mixed marking, we must go for the ball. If we go for the ball, we know who is going for the ball. The person that is near to the ball must go and attack, and then others must distract the players. So I think those are the elements that we can take up on this game, and the lessons that okay, we must guard against the set pieces, or we must avoid making a set pieces. We must avoid at all costs to try or after corner kick. We must avoid diagonal balls, because I've seen this team doing diagonal balls, and the striker able to receive in between the defenders, such that he can able to turn and look at the keeper. So those are the things that I'm not happy about, because Panama is a very good team. They were just playing on transition, especially the first 20 minutes, and then after that they just played their game, and then Nabo they could start up all of from the back. They build up, they go via the wings, but most of the time they were forcing to play in the central corridors, and then hence they got that one shot that they got, especially the first half, because they were forcing the meters. So other than that one is a good team. It's a very, very good team.
Yeah, somebody said last week that we needed a team that will be more offensive than Panama, because they felt like we were not tested as far as the defense work is concerned.
Yeah.
And then Panama comes today and say, okay, we'll give you what you want.
I was very happy about that. Because that's what I was unhappy about last week, that Okon was not tested that much. I needed him to be tested. Today he was tested, because those guys, they were attacking. Although they were attacking more on the Mboga's side. And I didn't have that many jewels. And then he was also lucky there, because the ball, if there was a VAR, that one was going to be a penalty. It's an all-day penalty. And these guys, they were also attacking.
I think it's because the ref was behind and the lineman was distracted by other players.
Yes, So those are the things. So I think he will grow. They're very same like Undaman. You could say that the man has a talent, is calm on the ball, has a skill, has a football mind, but it's just that he is not used to play at that level. So those are also the things that we notice. But when you go to the midfield, South Africa, when they were still Uteboho and Adams, they were very, very good. South Africa was very good.
Adams
Bafowethu.
Grootman.
This one is a Grootman ngempela. But also the two defensive midfielders of Lokozane, of Panama, they were very good. Those guys were very good, especially the one with the long hair. That guy was very good. That guy was controlling, was commanding there. He was making Urele Mfokeng to move from side to side.
Speaking of the guy that is really trying to raise his hand, because the mobility, because you'll find him fucking here, you'll find him fucking here, and what I like the most is that every time he gets an opportunity
Forward
to hold
pass.
the ball, he's looking forward.
Forward passes. Yeah, as I said even last week. Okay, I was not telling you. He is giving it as yes. There are 2 10s with Tuzan, but Umfukeng is giving us a different dimension. Umfukeng is more specializing on breaking the windows. Most of the time, whereas Tembazwane is focusing on a combination play. Because we see when there is Tembazwane, first minute when there was those 3 substitution combination, Apolis, Motiba, 1-2, they're able to break the Lokuzan. The defense is just that Adams there, he got the yellow card, and then when there was substitution, there was tall. Now we tend to lost the gist. The rhythm, especially in the midfield. And then also when there was Umbata, Jawi just not in control of the game, because from 70 minutes, after we scored the goal, the equalizer, and also you see when the experienced players they are in 1-2. Abo Tembazwane and Nalokozane gave that assist to Bogas, and also Nalokozane Abo Mahopa. Although Mahopa didn't get chances, Foster did get half chances. It's just that they were overheating the balls. He didn't get the supply.
Yeah.
You can't blame him much as opposed to last week. But other than that, it's a good game for Bafana. Good test. Then now we know where we're lacking. So it's not that much. It's just if you can have maybe Reinas, I think we can go there and compete. And then Uhlongane will take out Uhlongane, will put Ulokozan, because also Masego, he did play. For me, he played very well, especially when he was still on the left wing forward. When he was there on the right, we didn't see him that much. Umta was more attacking than him, so I didn't see him too much. But as for Moremi, I was happy about it, the way Ulokozan Moremi. It's just that I need him to put more crosses to the ball.
So you're counting Oreinas. We are closing now. The producer is signing the time. In closing, you are pointing Oreinas as somebody that we need. But you're only naming Oreinas. Out of all the players, is that the only guy that you think can make a change with Bafana?
For me, I can tell
for
you now.
For Bafana, no one else.
No, it's Reinas and Tapelo Mrena. Obviously, Uhlongane is going out. Uhlongane is going out. Really is going out. And then when there's Tapelo there, and then we have Lokuzan, we have Reinas, I think we can compete.
A very sad one for goalkeeper. You come in your hometown, and then you conceding 2 goals.
Yeah, you concede 2 goals, but he needs to learn on this, because also his teammates counterpart. Williams now on his debut we got 5. Against Brazil. Brazil. No, France was 2-3 years ago. He get that 5, but he came. But now today is a number one goalkeeper. So now I will learn to also command Ilokuzane defense.
I thought on the second half that's where we needed him. When you speak about the command, telling the players to push, to come back. That's where we needed Williams, because he does play that role. And Umchita, Lane, he doesn't have that command to the players.
Sometimes
maybe you grow into
you grow with the team, because international is your first time, and then it's the first time even playing with these guys. So now it's not the same. So it's going to take time, because we could see that they didn't press, so it didn't anticipate the first shot that he got, where the striker received in between, and then he was saying, he told them after the time, and put pressure on the person that is with the ball. So now we could see that he's not proactive, so he's reactive, so he will still grow.
Beautiful goal from Mbogazi, assist from Umshishi, and Mbogazi to his left. And I thought of Coach Mnguni. How excited was he wherever he was watching from Ilanga Libalele Academy.
I Mbogazi.
What a player.
Less said about that goal, but the better. The one that would be dreaming of it. But I'm not happy that Utebo Mgwena didn't got into those positions where
maybe that was the plan
to shoot. I'm not happy.
Let's give others chances. Let us see other people.
His strength. We must use his strength. Adams is not does not do the thing.
Yeah.
So I think Umkwena should have done that, especially when we are in control of the game. And also, this was very good test because you could see the moments that the team can command the play whenever we get it. It's just that whenever we get chances, we need to bury the chances.
Yeah.
Half chances, we need to turn half chances into goals.
Mpela, I will get fired. Let us go now.
Yeah.
Beautiful game. Bafana unfortunately get to be defeated. We're not sure whether we're going to see any other friendly before the World Cup.
Definitely. There will be two or three friendlies. Even if it's a close to those friendlies, they will be friendlies.
All right, that's just about it. If this is your first time here, please do subscribe, share, and tell others. Ukuthi we are here and sikuphathele okungaphathwa abaningi. If you are returning, we appreciate your love. Please stay with us. Sino Coach Plumber of Note, your favorites. Coach there in the comment section on YouTube. We appreciate you. We also appreciate you by the TikTok. On Facebook, please do follow us. It's Through Pass on Facebook, and make sure that we are Slandela and get to learn everything that we are doing on the Through Pass. From me, mfana kamnika thukapela uqozi ijamba namaqoqo ngoba lehlangene lo oyi ghost. No, sengitswempo kulento broadcasting. Yes. It sounds so good. Maybe it's because I've got the headphones.
New ones.
I'm not sure. No, they're not new. I'm out of here.